Hi everyone, my name is Mehre Mezensov. I am a 26-year-old Australian-born Uyghur whose husband has been recently sentenced to 25 years in prison by the CCP. Since April 2017, my husband Mirza Tahir has been in and out of concentration camps, all because he travelled overseas and lived in Turkey. For the past 4 years, my husband and I have been silently suffering, hoping and praying that his situation will get better. Over these years, countless difficult decisions had to be made in regards to taking his story to the media. But now everything has changed because the CCP has sealed my husband's fate, and I can no longer and will no longer stay silent on this matter. All my husband ever wanted, all he ever dreamed of, was to come to Australia and